Hello everyone, this is Business Lesson Your Way today again. Guys, I quickly want to show you something beautiful, something awesome this time about the Business Plus Arrow and also the Business Plus Trender. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we have the indicator that appears. Then you can see we have um, a lot of spike up on boom 1000 index, and also when we have a pullback here, the arrow also came out. And guys, today we dropped a signal on the free channel on boom 1000 index, and also we dropped for boom 300 and also for crash 500 index. Now guys, in this video I'll be putting you through how exactly I do um send the signal for boom 1000 index, and also for boom 300, and also for crash 500 index. So guys, as you will be following me in this video, I just want you to smash the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and also to give me a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and also guys, I want you to give me a comment on anything or your thoughts on this powerful indicator. So guys, I want you to write with me, and today we pick the signal from at this point, which is at this area. All right, so and I want you to notice something, that this is a very good support point. But I tell you how powerful this indicator is. This indicator appears at exactly at these major candlesticks. As you can see, it appears on these candlesticks. Then I definitely know that this is gonna sell. And guys, as you can see, we are on 15 minutes time frame, and on 15 minutes time frame it has been selling. You see, it has been selling for a while, and my TP was at this point, which means that it's almost at the TP point. Guys, after this video I will show you the screenshot. At the end of this video I'll show you the screenshot of all the trades that was taken with this indicator for selling. So guys, for boom 1000 index, and also for boom 300, and also for crash 500 index. And guys, I want you to know something for boom 300 index, that boom 300 index is less volatile. That's why we had to go in with a very good big lot sizes. So guys, as for me, as for business loss, I like going for multiple positions. I like going in for multiple entries. So guys, let me show you what's happening on another time frame. But before I do that, and you can see we have a support here. All right, so when this indicator appears for either buy or sell, start the starting of a new trend, definitely is gonna break out through this support area which we have here. And this is also a retest for a new trend breakout. All right, so guys, as you can see, it's almost at the TP, which is we are cool, we are okay if we want to take our signals now, because anytime we drop a signal, it's not a must that you wait to TP, only if you are working on RRR. So guys, let me go on 30 minutes time frame so that you can see. And on 30 minutes time frame, you can see that the signal is very new. But one thing that you have to note on this time frame is that it is an uptrend. All right, so definitely that's why we put our TP at this point, because we should be putting our TP at a point as this. All right, but we decided not to be greedy. That's why we put our TP here. So anytime that the arrow appears, you can go in for a trade, even if it's a for even if it's for buying or for selling. So guys, let's go on H1 time frame. Now after when we have clicked here, you can see that we are having an uptrend movement here, which is very very good. So the longer or the higher the time frame you want to use this arrow, then the perfect you're gonna see that the indicator is I'm working. And as you can see here, we have a sell signal here, then it's sold from this point down to this point. And if we want to calculate. You see, it's huge, it's massive. All right, you can see we have 54 bars. All right, we have 54 bars, which is a lot of pips is being covered. So if we go back to 15 minutes time frame, you can see the profit we made from this entry to this point is awesome. Is awesome, guys. So guys, with further ado, I want to go to boom 300 index to see exactly what's happening on boom 300 index. And guys, as you can see here, we have um a sell signal on boom 300 index, which was taken from um this area. All right, that's the point at which the indicator shows up for a sell. All right, and we've taken profit. We've taken profit from this area. All right, you see when it appears we've taken profit. And if we should go to 5 minutes time frame, you can see that this is 555. This that like 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So it has gone in profit for more than 15 minutes. So your profit will depend on your lot sizes. Alright, but when we should check this on 5 minutes time frame, you notice that the arrow appears at exactly at these candlesticks. Alright, which is perfect um for any time frame. You can take your entry on any time frame, and as you can see on the screen, it's still selling. All right, this is a perfect entry for anything. And also lastly, let's switch for to another time frame of M30 time frame. And as you can see on M30 time frame, this signal has performed miracle. It has performed wonder. And look at where the sell signal appears. All right, so with this indicator, you can have from 75% till 90% sure trades. All right, I repeat, you can have from 75% to 90% of perfect entries and getting good profit. So if you need this indicator, I just want you to check the description. You can message me directly at business plus ceo. Alright, or you can join the free telegram channel business plus fs academy, where I'll be dropping where I'm dropping free signals daily, and people were making a lot of profit on the channel. So guys, let me go to H1 time frame. But before I do that, I just want to do a little analysis here. And as you can see, is a downtrend. All right, it's going down, and see, so definitely the chart, the candles is gonna get beyond this price of 393. All right, so it's gonna get beyond this because it's overall, the overall trend is a downtrend already. And like I said earlier, that at the end of the video I'm gonna show you the results of all the trades that was taken with this indicator. So guys, last but not the least is on um crash 500 index. um the signals appeared on 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see here, we have a buy at this point for crash 500 index. You see on this exact candle, when it appears, you go in. Right after we have a pullback, to this zone here. Alright, you can see that the indicator is working perfectly, and you can see we have resistance here, and also we have support, resistance here. You see we have resistance here, and we have major support also here. Alright, so it pull back to this resistance, then from there it begins to fly up. Alright, then it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, which is creating um higher high and higher low. And at this point, it's a good entry where we can set our stop loss to be at this price level of 4177. Then the entry now will be here, which is a good buy, and also the TP will now be open. All right, because it's gonna fly from here and it's gonna go up. Alright, or you can set your TP at this price, alright, which is 4224. Alright, but it's gonna be kind of 1-to-1 ratio. Alright, but for me the least ratio you can use, which is advisable, is 1-to-2 ratio. Alright, so now let me go to 30 minutes time frame so that you can see exactly what's happening. But before that, I would like to clear the screen so that I don't have much lines on the screen. And as you can see here, we have the candle which appear for a sell. Alright, at the top here you see we have a candle for a chart, an arrow for a sell here. All right, so here at this point you see we have a buy arrow here, and the buy arrow has been buying for a while. And if we should analyze this, then definitely the TP is gonna be at this point here. All right, so why the SL will be here, so this will be marking 1:3. All right, so it makes that you're risking let's say $10 to get $30. That's 1:3. So guys, this indicator is working perfectly. This indicator is awesome. Like I said, if you are new to this channel, I just want you to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, while I will be exposing and I'll be teaching you more on how to use this powerful indicator. And also, if you want to get the indicator and you want to see the result, I would want you to join the free signal group at the description below, which is on Telegram at Business Plus FS Academy. And also, if you want to reach me directly, you can reach me on at Business Plus CEO. So guys, that's all for this video for now. And guys, please, I want you to give me a comment on what you think about this indicator, and also what X you want me to show you. Probably if you want me to show you on live trading on live stream, I'm gonna do exact that. So thank you guys, stay blessed, and have a nice day. Bye.